Hello friends, welcome back to the any video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today then we are going to upload guys Oppo phone, Samsung phone setting guys, and today video is guys Samsung phone guys. How can we use hotspot setting? Friends, we want to on and friends we want to use guys your mobile hotspots. How can we on and use today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. So guys, we will on guys our phone setting. After phone setting, we will search here guys hotspot. So once you can see guys hotspot setting guys, you can see mobile hotspot. We will tap here. Once mobile hotspot guys, you can on from here and you can use it. So but guys, I don't have SIM in my phone, so I cannot use. But guys, you want to on guys, you can on and off guys your mobile hotspot from here. Network device name is guys your device name guys. How can we check and use? So once you want to change guys your device name, hotspot device name, hotspot password guys, you can check from here. You want to change, so guys you can change from here. And guys, after change guys, click on save option, then guys your hotspot password will save. So like that guys, you can use guys your hotspot setting in your Oppo phone device. So I auto hotspot I cannot use because guys internet not available guys, Wi-Fi is also off in my phone. So like that guys, you can use guys your mobile hotspot setting from here. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.